Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig. Eto na Kabibig. Ngayong sinibak na si General Torre bilang PNP Chief. Paano na yan? Saan ba pupulutin si General Torre? Sabi ng mga chismis. Drama lang daw ito. Kasi si General Torre ang bagong NBI Director. Yan daw ang chika-chika ngayon na parang script lang daw ito na magiging kaawa-awa si Torre, parang binugbog si Torre sa kahihiyan, pero ang likod daw nito ay magiging bagong NBI Director kasi si NBI Director Santiago ay nag-resign. Sabi pa daw dito, John Vic Remulla pinatalsik si Torre dahil hambog at walang respeto. Lumaki na raw ang ulo. Nako po, yan kasi pag ang pagiging hambog ay ipasok sa utak at yung utak mo ay lolobo at sasabog, nako, wala ka talagang kawalan. Lumaki raw ang ulo. Torre sinabak sa pwesto sa hidwaan kay Remulla. Yan ang TNT tunay na tabulista ang kalang pinost. Ito ha, sa pag-relieve ng Malacanang kay General Torre III bilang Philippine National Police Chief, lumutang ang ekspekulasyon na posibleng kinampihan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos si Department of Interior and Local Government DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla sa kamakailan nitong hidwaan. Nako, kaya nga umani ang dahil daw dito sa Napolcom at yung reshuffling na ginawa ni Torre mga kabibig. Ay nako, anong malaking problema nito ni Torre kinaharap niya mga kabibig. Kaya yung iba sabi dito ay it's because of Remulla and Torre, parang saan ba pupunta si Torre? Saan pupulutin si Torre? Sabi dito, a difficult but necessary decision. Yan ang statement ni John Vic Remulla hinggil sa kung bakit napagdesisyonan ng Pangulo na sibakin si Torre. A difficult but necessary decision. DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla clarified that General Nicolas Torre was relieved not because he broke any laws but to uphold institutional integrity. So, bale, walang integridad si Torre. Meanwhile, Remulla said that Torre has option of retiring, hala, pinare-retire na si Torre, or staying, but the question of the 4-star will be with Napolcom to take up. Hala, dalawa lang ang pagpipilian ni Torre. Kung hindi mag-resign, mag-retire, or babalik sa pagiging 4-star general. Sabi pa ng Remulla, the President believes that his national security apparatus must always work within the framework of the law. With the recent developments, the President was presented with facts and he determined that the best course of action is to uphold the role of Napolcom as it was intended by the law. Nako. Diyan na diyan sumabog si Torre kasi nagmamarunong, nagpapaepal. Take note between Remulla and Torre, tapos marami mga pulis ang pumirma na doon suportahan si Torre. Sino bang hindi matatakot diyan? Sino bang hindi magagalit diyan? Kaya sabi ni Remulla, depende na kay Torre kung ano ang kayang gagawin. Retire na siya or babalik siya sa pagiging 4-star, pero depende na rin yan sa Napolcom. Hala ka, ano nangyari Torre? Para yatang binasura ka na sa lahat ng ginawa mo kay Bongbong Marcos. Sabi nga, bulldog ka nga. Kagat ng kagat ka. Si Kibuloy, OJ Sisig, ikaw ang nanguna. Heartbeat. Tapos, si Pangulong Duterte, pinasakay mo sa eroplano, kinidnap nyo, papuntang Hague. Pero after all of these things, oo nga, sinuklian ka. Naging chief PNP ka. Pero after 85 days, anong nangyari? Parang initsapwera ka na. Wala ka ng power. Kung sa flood control project ka, useless ka na sa kanila. Alak. So ito kabibig, manood tayo kabibig ha sa press con ni DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla. Sinasagot niya ang mga ilang questions hinggil sa nangyari ngayong pagsibak kay Torre. Either mag-retire or balik ka sa 4-star. Ito na.
For your presence here. I have a statement from our department. The palace affirms that President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has made the difficult but necessary decision to relieve PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III of his duties. The President believes that his national security apparatus must always work within the framework of the law. With the recent developments, the President was presented with the facts, and he determined that the best course of action is to uphold the role of NAPOCOM as it was intended by law. As part of this resolution, the President decided to relieve Police General Torre. This was not an easy choice, but it was made in the national interest. The President is committed to ensuring a unified direction and collaboration across all areas in his cabinet, particularly those responsible for delivering security, peace, and order.
Oh.
The President expresses his thanks and gratitude to Police General Torre, as his brief tenure brought new life and energy into the PNP.
Oh.
Nevertheless, the mission must continue. The Filipinos must be safe. To this end, the President has directed the incoming PNP Chief, General Nartates, together with the Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, to present within 1 month a comprehensive citizen security strategy focused on increasing police presence throughout the country and ensuring that every Filipino feels secure in their communities.
Nako, yan.
That's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Secretary. So we will now start with the questions. I remind everyone to only ask 2 questions each so that it can be orderly po. So first
questions.
here is Miss Leia Ilagan from UNTV. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Sir, can you enlighten us kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng difficult but necessary?
The President is very fond of General Torre. In his brief tenure as chief and even before that the CIDG, the President and General Torre have had a wonderful and productive relationship.
Okay lang pala.
However, there comes a crossroads in a President's decision-making that he has to make the tough but necessary decisions to push his agenda forward.
Sir, itatanong ko yung tanong din ng marami. Ano yung reason bakit dinalis mo si General?
Precisely because we are a country of laws and not of men.
Oh.
The institutions must be larger than the people who run it. And in this case, the President saw it necessary that the institution of the PNP and the NAPOCOM be upheld as according to the spirit of the law as it was created.
Sir, may connection ba ito dun sa... Follow up na lang, sir. Last na, sorry. Sir, para lang mabuo yung storya. Sir, may connection ba ito doon sa nakaraang resolution ng NAPOLCOM na hindi po nasunod? Parang hindi naglabas o hindi na sunod ni General Torre? Yung NAPOLCOM resolution ng mga reshuffle ng mga officials.
That among other things.
Oh.
Thank you, Miss Leia.
Thank you, sir.
Third, Anne Malonzo from Sunstar.
Sir, good morning. Sir, so my first question, saan na po ngayon ang i-assign si General?
Oh, ito na.
What will happen, sir? Kasi nasa kanya yung 4-star.
Yes, that issue, General Torre has been informed, his brief. He has the option of retiring or staying. But the question of the 4-star will be with the NAPOCOM to take up. But that is a collateral issue only to that who will be running the PNP, which will be formally, as of today, General Nartates.
Oh.
Any words, nag-usap na po kayo ni General Torre about this matter, sir?
tried to get in touch with him. I made 5 phone calls last night.
Ooh.
I think he was in a dinner, but he was duly informed, properly informed of the decision.
Agoy. 5 calls, hindi sumagot si
Hindi
Tori.
kayo sinagot, sir. Hindi kayo sinagot ni General.
We have our own forms of communication, and he did that.
Oh.
Thank you, Mr. Mark Makalalad of DCWB.
Hi, Secretary. Good morning. Obviously, yung pag-relieve kay Chief PNP, popular decision, dahil nagkaroon ng conflict previously sa resolution ng NAPOCOM and PNP, hindi pa napagpag na order. So, how do you intend to manage the public's perception na yung leadership ng PNP ngayon is stable?
Correct, correct.
Ng leadership
Is
stable. And wala po itong bahid ng politika.
That is precisely why we are doing this, because we want to take politics out of the equation. When you have issues arising, you must resolve it according to the rules of the institution.
Mhm.
That's what we are doing. This is not a popularity contest. This is a question of maintaining the integrity of the institution.
Sir, binigyan ko yung resolution ng NAPOLCOM 2025-0531 adopted last August 14 states that non-compliance with the requirements being prescribed shall subject accountable officers to administrative sanctions.
Ala.
So, itong pag-relieve kay General Torre, parte ng sanctions dahil hindi sa pagsunod doon sa NAPOLCOM resolution.
There is no sanction.
Oo.
NAPOCOM has not taken any sanctions as a body, nor has it been discussed, nor has it been filed. This is a personal decision of the President, and he has, after careful perusal of the facts, the order came from the office of the President and not the Go ahead.
So yun pala kabibig, hindi sanction. Pero ang chika kabibig ito sabi ni Ronald Sanchez, my chismis that in the wake of General Torre's relief as Chief PNP, he might be appointed as the next NBI Director. Well, such a move would have been permissible prior to 2016. The landscape has since changed with the passage of the NBI Reorganization and Modernization Act RA 10867. This law expressly requires that the NBI director must be a member of the Philippine Bar, ensuring that the bureau is headed by a lawyer with substantial legal experience. Oh. So, yun daw ang chika na posible daw na si Torre ay magiging NBI director, pero hindi naman pwede ang NBI director na hindi isang lawyer, 'di ba? Nasa RA 10867 na dapat member of the Philippine Bar. So imposible na magiging NBI director o magiging bagong NBI director si General Torre. Nako mga kabibig. Today, any permanent appointment of a non-lawyer to NBI's topmost would not only run contrary to the law but could also invite legal and political challenges. Pero ox naman si General maging OIC namin. Paturo akong mag-boxing. Mag-boxing na lang daw si Torre mga kabibig po. Pero so far ang sinabi naman dito mga kabibig is ang sabi dito is pwede nang mag-retire si Torre or yung 4-star niya ay questionably pa yan with the NAPOLCOM to take up. Nako, parang medyo simplang na talaga ngayon si Torre, no? Parang ewan natin, tinawagan siya ni General Remulla 5 times pero hindi sinagot ni Torre. Paano ba naman yan? Nako po, saan ito patutungo mga kabibig? Ano kaya ang mangyayari kay General Torre na ngayon ay parang binasura na yata. Sabi dito, DDS are quick to celebrate stories sucking but in a certain there's more to it. People forgot that in Philippine politics, nothing is ever just what it seems on the surface daw. Sabi dito, baka itong si Torre ay magiging NBI director. Nako po, coincidence daw, maybe. But in the context of Marcos Jr. broader reshuffle where loyalty and perception matter just as much as performance, that could be read as strategic daw repositioning. Pero hindi ako sure na strategic repositioning ito kasi parang hindi na yata nagustuhan ang mga ginagagawa ni Torre ngayon, mga kabibig. Nag-astang presidente daw itong si Torre. Ano ba naman talaga, kabibig? So yun lang muna, kabibig, ang ating Liris Lebag-Lebag for today. Ramdam ko talaga na hindi na nagustuhan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang mga pinagagawa ni General Torre. So kailangan ng sibakin at kailangan na talaga siyang palitan. Ang bagong PNP chief ngayon ay si PNP Chief Bago Nartates. Si Nartates pala ang bagong PNP Chief. Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates ang siyang bagong PNP Chief. Yun, kabibig, ha. Yun ang ating Liris Lebag-Lebag for the day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Gusto nyo bang si Torre ang bagong NBI Director? Comment down below. Bye everyone. See you next time. Grabe, no, as in super duper ang daming pangyayari. In a slap of a finger, biglang nasibak si Torre. 85 days lang siya nag-serve as PNP chief. Yung 5 minutes response niya para yata naglaho.